It shouldn't be called Mi'kmaq History Month. It should be just Mi'kmaq all the time. How's that?
I think we're in a critical time right now where many of our people are still trying to find out who we are. What does it truly mean? And I think if we start really understanding the history of Mi'kmaq society, and not just in regards to feathers and drums, but in regards to the lifestyles, you know, it helps you become stronger, because it's not just about feathers and drums. It's about an understanding of a way of life.
We are Mi'kmaq 12 months a year, every day of the week, and it is important that we promote ourselves and that the public knows who we are and the truth of who we are. Our version of who we are is important, and that can only be done by passing down our traditions.
I think that for many of our younger people, we really need to grasp the idea of what being Mi'kmaq is really about, and that's the written language, the earlier texts of our ancestors. Understanding these philosophies, understanding these concepts make us stronger.
Mi'kmaq History Month, for me, is an opportunity for everyone to take the time in October to focus on Mi'kmaq culture, to bring it into other classroom curriculums, to show that we were not just craftspeople, that we were scientists, and that we were environmentalists, and that we had our own systems of doing things.
There has to be a sense of pride in being Mi'kmaq, and within that there has to be a sense of history, and in knowing that, of course, it creates a stronger, healthier nation.